Hello everyone, welcome back to Full Scholarship video series where we bring you latest updates on scholarships and other educational opportunities all around the world. Today we are here with yet another educational opportunity for international students who want to advance in their educational journey with a fully funded scholarship that allows them to study abroad by not only covering their finances but also providing a world-class education. Today, we are here with an educational opportunity which allows students to study in South Korea. The applications are now open for the fully funded Seoul National University Scholarship 2026, and they are offering some amazing scholarships for international students. So, why should you choose the SNU? SNU is not just a university, it is a top university in South Korea and ranks among the best in Asia. Why do so why do so many students choose SNU? The university provides top quality education, modern research and technology, and it has a beautiful campus and a vibrant student life. It provides global student community access and strong job connections and networks. Plus, the university offers many scholarships to help international students to pay for their studies. Before we go further, please mark this date on your calendar. Application window is only open from 7th July to 10th July 2025. So the application process will be available only for the 3 days. That's so you need to start preparing your documents early and don't wait till the last minute. Now let's see the programs that are being offered from the SNU University. It offers lots of programs at both undergraduate and graduate levels. Here are some examples. For undergraduate colleges, it offers programs in humanities, social science, engineering, business, fine arts, and many more. You can check the list of programs available on our website, thekashmirloop.com or fullscholarship.net. And for the graduate programs, it offers programs in humanities and social science, natural science, engineering, art, and interdisciplinary graduate programs. So, no matter what your field is, there is a program for you at SNU. So, if you are interested in studying abroad and studying in South Korea, this scholarship is definitely for you. Now, let us talk about the scholarships that are available for the international students. At SNU, multiple scholarship opportunities are provided for international students. Some are applied for before admission, while others are available after enrollment. Here are the scholarships available for the undergraduate program. First, let's cover the scholarships before admission, which include Korean government scholarship program, which offers full tuition fees, monthly living expenses, round trip airfare, Korean language training fees, medical insurance, and research related expenses. Next scholarship for undergraduate programs is Overseas Korean Scholarship. This scholarship offers full tuition for up to 8 semesters, living expenses, airfare and language training, private medical insurance. Now, here are some scholarships which you can apply only after the enrollment, which include Glow Harmony Scholarship, Global Korean Scholarship for self-financed students, Korean War Memorial Foundation Scholarship. These scholarships aim to ease the financial burden and allow students to focus entirely on their educational journey and growth. Moving on to the graduate scholarships before admission, which include SNU President Fellowship Program, which offers full tuition fully exempted for 6 semesters, monthly stipend, airfare and language training, health insurance, and second scholarship is graduate scholarship for excellent foreign students, which includes full tuition, monthly living support. The next scholarship is overseas Korean scholarship, which offers full tuition and monthly allowance, flight and language course benefits, and private health insurance. And the last is Korean government scholarship, which covers full tuition fees, monthly expense, and flight and miscellaneous academic costs. Now let us see the documents that are required for the scholarship. When applying, you will need to prepare and upload the several documents which include a personal statement and study plan. For this scholarship, you will require two letters of recommendation, academic transcripts and degree certificates, a copy of your passport, proof of your nationality, and you need both parents' passport and nationality documents, and documentation verifying your parent-child relationship. If these documents aren't in English or Korean, you need to certified translations. Now let us go over how to apply. Applying for the SNU scholarship is straightforward but requires attention to detail. Firstly, you will need to visit official SNU admission portal and you need to read the detailed guidelines for international students and complete the online application between 7th to 10th July 2025. So the applications are not yet open. Applications will be available from 7th July, and then you need to upload your required documents and then submit the form and wait for the next steps. Make sure to be careful and follow the instructions, uh, which mistakes can lead to the rejection. So make sure to follow the steps and fill the form accurately. You can view the complete details about the scholarship program on our website thekashmirlove.com or fullscholarship.net. And to make it easier for you, here is the link for the official website, so you can visit on this link. But the applications will be available from 7th to 10th July. So that is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarship, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram for upcoming updates on scholarships and other educational opportunities.